Good evening, all the my brother and sister. Firstly, I would like to respect to you all. So today's topic is very important in our human life. We need to know after that we can be practice. We must be practice. And also, many people they already know. They already learning, but they cannot practice apply in daily life because this is a teaching, this is a learning, not our life, different. So that's why the Buddha said, firstly, need to learning. After that, we must be practice in daily life, applying to daily life. This is very important. So today, many speakers and that they are discussing here to very happy. Also, we need to practice. We need to apply in daily life, and also I'm focused on my mind. So today I would like to discuss in this topic based on Majjhima Nikaya Mula Panatat Gosenka Sutta. I hear to Dhammadok. This Dhammadok is very good in our human society. So this is very important. Also, family, group, many group, and then school, and then our country also need to practice. We need to know, and then we need to practice. So in this time, the Buddha stay in Nadika village. The Buddha stay in. The weather is this time becoming summer season. Many leaves fall down, and then new leaves a little. In this time, the same. The weather is in this time. The Buddha stay in Nalika village. Only one the Buddha stay in monastery. And then other place is Gosenka forest. In the forest, stay in Binaribe, Anuruddha, Binaribe Nadia, Binaribe Kimila. Three Binaribe, they stay in this forest. The Buddha is other place. One day, the Buddha, evening, the Buddhas are walking, exercise, go to this Gosenka forest. So in this time, Gosenka forest is this forest is a very important forest because this Lake Sawi is very safe. This forest, everybody is incoming or outside. So the Buddha go to this place in front of this forest, but Gai Basa is don't gun. He don't know or he don't understand the Buddha, but he speak is used a little bit rude. The Buddha, not Buddha, nor Bhagavan, but he said, "Oh Samana, you didn't get in this forest." The Buddha stops. Okay. You don't distract this three Venerable, they stay in the practice meditation or also everything, don't distract you. So the Buddha silent. In this time, Venerable Anuruddha, he hear Buddha and this guy, window gate person is he hear. After that, he want to request Venerable Nandiya and Venerable Kimila. This example, he hear firstly the Buddha and this gay person. He firstly going to in front of Buddha, but he cannot go. He requests Venerable Nandiya and also Venerable Kimila. The Buddha's coming. We can be what can do everything. Saying okay, we together. He has no selfish. So this is the example for in our human life. Sometimes we saw firstly okay, we can eat, we can introduce everything. Every people are selfish. So but now this example is a good. Anuruddha, Venerable Anuruddha, he saw Buddha, he hear Buddha voice, but he cannot go fastly. He didn't go fast. He want to request Venerable Nandiya, Venerable Kimila. After that, we together 3% respect to talking at the matters. This is the first, very important. So they are while they are talking in the matters, the Buddha asked them. The first one is Tamagga Viharata. The first one, Tamagga Viharata. In Pali, what they say? The Buddha asked, do you live in unity of each other, this forest? So the Buddha asked the first one, do you live in unity each other in this forest? This is in Pali, what? Samagga Viharata. The second question is Samoda Mana Viharata. This is the Pali word. Do you live in happily ever after each other? The second question. The question is Avivada Mana Viharata. Do you live well with others without a quarantine or fighting? The Buddha asked 3 questions. The first one is that the Buddha asked is Venerable Anuruddha. So this is the very good answer. The same 3 Venerable and the same answer. So the Buddha in this forest, we each other respect. I live my life in this forest. In this forest, in harmony with other, not myself. Firstly, we need to do. We can eat every day. We request to each other, and then 3% is a decision. They will be do. They say okay. No different idea, no different answer. The same. Okay, they say okay. They will be do. So after that, he answer is. We are present or behind. We stay in with kaya gamita, vasika metta, manoga metta. Bodily loving kindness, verbally loving kindness, and then mentally loving kindness. Not only present time, behind also. Behind. Our Pudosana mind is every time changing because of selfish, because of mana, because of anger. So this 3 Venerable is they stay in loving kindness, they stay in with metta, present or behind, no changing. They are loving kindness. So this is a Venerable Anuruddha answer. Although the second person, the Buddha asked Nandiya, Venerable Nandiya, also Venerable Kimbila, this question, the Buddha. But they are the same answer, the same together. We not selfish. We can stay in each other with loving kindness, behind or present. So the Buddha is sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. The Buddha is a very good. This answer, the Buddha is very heavily. So now our Guru also announced first time, second time. First time we saw our name, or in this stage we are busy or not. We need to thinking. Okay, in this stage we are busy. We cannot discuss. Also listen. Okay, I will be answered. I cannot join. We need to. I think maybe how to say reply. Need to reply because respect to our Guru. Say to our Guru. That's why nowadays many people they are easy time coming. Sometimes they are lazy. They don't get. Okay, we already understand they had other condition or other doing. They had exam or everything. We already understand, but need to announce or need to reply. So we need to respect our Guru because all men and all Buddhist people need to respect our Guru. So now I would like to conclusion. Our Guru is the Buddha based on Patthana, Tahasada Visaya, together connection. We are happy to have said or in this time, or we are busy, or we are request or answer reply. We can suggestion. We can help other person. And this is Tahasada Visaya and Patthana. Together connection, and then Inyaminya Visaya, we are respect our Bhikkhuni and Bhikkhu, a lay woman, we are respect to each other, listen to the mother. This is Inyaminya Visaya, mutually condition. We are condition, now we are non-condition. Now our Guru is other person is they didn't get, but now a little is they can. Sampayogda Visaya, associated condition. The Buddha said, association condition. We are very friendly. We are very loving kindness. We need to support each other. This is very important. So now, 9%, nearly 10%, we are discussing together. In this time, in this place, this is the present condition. This is the good our connection. So now our connection is together connection, neutrally connection, association connection, present connection. So now again I wanted to request our Guru. You saw your name. In this time you are speaker or moderator. In this time you can be busy or you cannot join. In this time need to request need to answer. We need to support our Guru. We need to respect our Guru. Thank you so much.